Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can disable all of the notifications in your Windows 11. If you are fed up by all the distracting notifications that you get in your Windows 11, then this video is for you. If you want to disable all of the notifications, then you need to follow these simple steps. First, let's head out to our settings. Now, once you're inside the settings, you need to click on the System tab. Once inside, you can see the Notifications tab. Click on it, and from here you can see the direct access to notifications. Right now it is enabled. To disable all the notifications, simply click on this toggle and it will directly get turned off. If you want to change other settings, then you need to turn this toggle on, and then you can enable or disable other settings like allowing notifications to play sounds, showing notifications on the lock screen. If you want to disable the notifications on the lock screen, then you may uncheck this particular icon. And if you want to show reminders and incoming VoIP calls on the lock screen, then this check mark is for that particular task. If you want the notifications but don't want any of these options, then you may simply uncheck them if you don't want them. Now, if you don't want any notification at all, simply turn this toggle off. Now that's it for this particular video. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.